There's one tool that separates traders who guess their entries from those who know exactly where price is going to bounce. And it's not some secret indicator nobody's heard of. It's Fibonacci. But here's the thing, 99% of people using Fibonacci retracement are drawing it completely wrong, which is exactly why their trades keep getting stopped out right before the real move happens. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact golden zone method I use to catch high probability entries, stacking Fibonacci with fractals, the 200 EMA, and anchored VWAP. So you're not just guessing a bounce, you're confirming it 4 different ways before you ever click buy. And stick around because at the end I'll show you something most traders don't even know is possible, turning this entire manual strategy into an automated signal system that plots your entries for you. Let's get into it. Alright guys, step number 1, choosing the right crypto exchange. For this strategy, we're going to be using Blofin as our primary platform. Blofin doesn't require mandatory KYC verification for basic trading, which means you can start trading immediately. Plus, new users can earn up to 5,000 USDT through deposit and trading volume bonuses. Now, if you want an alternative with even more trading pairs and the ability to toggle between centralized exchange features and decentralized perpetuals trading, you can use Mexi. They're offering up to 10,000 USDT in bonuses for new users right now. Both platforms work perfectly for this strategy, so choose whichever fits your needs. To sign up for Blofin, click the first link in the description. You'll be taken to the sign up page where you simply enter your details and create an account. No KYC needed. You can start trading right away. If you prefer Mexi, use the second link below. You will need to complete quick KYC verification on Mexi, but it's fast and secure. Personally, I have accounts on both platforms depending on what I'm trading. Step number 2 is depositing funds. Let me show you how to do this quickly before we jump into the strategy. Once you're logged into your platform, click Assets at the top right, then choose Overview. Once you're on the Overview page, click on Deposit. Choose the coin you want to deposit. I recommend USDT and select the correct blockchain network. Make sure you choose the right network to avoid losing your funds. Confirm the details, then scan the QR code or copy the deposit address to transfer your funds from your wallet or another exchange. If you want to deposit using fiat currency, look for the Buy Crypto option at the top of the menu, then select Quick Buy. Choose your currency, enter the amount, select your payment method, and click Continue. Once your funds are deposited, it's time to open a position. Step number 3 is opening your first position. Hover on Futures in the top menu, then select USDT-M Futures. This will take you to the trading interface where all the magic happens. Choose the asset you want to trade in the upper left corner. For this example, I'll use Bitcoin, BTC/USDT, but this strategy works on any crypto pair. After that, select your order type, limit or market. For beginners, I recommend starting with market orders for instant execution. Next, choose your leverage type. You can use cross margin or isolated margin. Personally, I always use isolated margin because it limits your risk to only that specific position. If the trade goes wrong, you only lose what you put into the trade. You can use high leverage on these platforms, but for beginners, I recommend starting with 5 times to 10 times leverage until you're comfortable with how the market moves. Enter your trade details, confirm everything looks good, then click buy long or sell short to open your position. Once your orders fill, you can view it under the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. Now that you know how to navigate the platform, let's move on to the actual strategy that can make you $100 per day. Alright guys, here's where it gets exciting. This strategy uses the Fibonacci retracement tool combined with key technical indicators to identify high probability entry points. Traders have been using Fibonacci for years to identify support and resistance levels, and the information gathered helps you place orders at the right time, identify stop loss levels, and set accurate price targets. First, head over to TradingView. I have a link in the description that gives you a discount if you want the premium version. Choose the trading pair you want to trade. For this example, I'm using Bitcoin against USDT. Set your chart to the 5-minute time frame. This is perfect for quick scalping trades. But remember, this strategy works on any time frame from 5 minutes all the way up to the 4-hour chart. Go to the Indicators tab at the top, type Fibonacci retracement, and select the standard Fibonacci tool. Now, here's something really important. The market moves in patterns. You'll see a big upward or downward trend, then a pullback or retracement, and finally a continuation. The Fibonacci retracement tool helps us predict exactly where that pullback will end, so we can enter at the perfect spot and maximize gains while minimizing risk. Click on the Fibonacci settings and make sure you're using these levels 0, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, and 1. These are the most important Fibonacci levels. The area between 0.382 and 0.618 is called the Golden Zone. This is where the price is most likely to reverse and continue in the original trend direction. Now, one common mistake traders make is not knowing where to place the Fibonacci tool. To fix this, we're going to use Fractals. Go back to the Indicators tab, type Fractals, and select the indicator. You'll see green arrows for bullish fractals and red arrows for bearish fractals. But you'll notice there are too many fractals showing up. To filter out only the major reversal points, click on the fractal indicator settings and change the periods to 10. Now you'll only see the strongest swing points. Focus on strong trends. Don't use this on weak, choppy price action. Once you spot a strong upward trend, use the Fibonacci retracement tool to mark it from the red fractal, the bottom, to the green fractal, the top. You'll see the golden zone appear on your chart. When the price retraces back into this zone, that's your signal to look for an entry. But we're not done yet. To make this strategy even more powerful, we need to add Confluence. Look for support and resistance levels that align with the golden zone. For example, if the price breaks through a resistance level and then retraces back to it, that old resistance now acts as support. This is called a retest. If that retest level falls within the golden zone, you have strong confirmation for your trade. Next, go to the Indicators tab, type EMA, and select the exponential moving average. Click on the settings and change the length to 200. The 200 EMA on larger time frames acts as a strong level of support and resistance. In an uptrend, the price often bounces off the 200 EMA as support. In a downtrend, it acts as resistance. If the 200 EMA also falls within your golden zone, that's another layer of confirmation. Finally, click on the left toolbar, find anchored VWAP, and place it at the beginning of your strong trend, right where the red fractal is located. Go to the settings, click on style, and uncheck all the extra lines so you only see the main VWAP line. The anchored VWAP works similarly to the EMA. Price tends to bounce off this line, and it acts as dynamic support or resistance. Now you have four powerful confluences. The golden zone, support/resistance retest, the 200 EMA, and anchored VWAP. When all four of these line up, you have an extremely high probability trade setup. Let me show you an example. Look at this strong upward move on the 5-minute chart. Using fractals, I identify the bottom and top of the move and draw my Fibonacci retracement. The golden zone appears right here. Now I check, is there a support or resistance retest? Yes, the price broke through this resistance level and now it's acting as support. Does the 200 EMA align? Yes, it's right in the golden zone. Does the anchored VWAP align? Yes, it's also in the golden zone. All four confluences are present. This is a perfect entry signal. Here's how to execute the trade. Enter your long position when the price touches the golden zone and shows signs of bouncing, like a bullish candlestick pattern. Place your stop loss just below the golden zone, usually below the 0.618 level. Set your take profit at the previous high of the move, or use a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. In this example, the price perfectly bounces off the golden zone and shoots up to hit our take profit. That's a clean $100 plus profit depending on your position size and leverage. So now you understand exactly how this strategy works manually. But here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of watching charts all day and doing this manually, I gave this exact strategy to Claude and asked it to write me a full Pine script. So TradingView can automatically detect these signals for me. And this is the prompt I use. I'm going to show it on screen right now so you can copy it exactly. That's it. That's the full prompt. You paste that into Claude. I'm using Claude code here. And within seconds, it spits out a complete working Pine script in a notepad file. Now, this exact prompt, along with the Pine script used in this video, is available in my private group. You can find the link down below. Once Claude is done, you will see a notepad file appear with the full Pine script inside. Open that file, press Ctrl+A to select all of the code, then Ctrl+C to copy it. That's everything you need. Now let's get it into TradingView. Open TradingView and go to any chart. I'll use Bitcoin again. At the bottom right of the screen, click on the Pine Editor tab. Once the editor is open, you'll see some default code in there. Just select all of it, delete it, and paste in this Pine script code. Now click Add to Chart. That's the button at the top of the Pine Editor. TradingView will compile the script and apply it directly to your chart. And there it is. You can see the buy and sell signals automatically plotted right on the candles. Green triangles for longs, red triangles for shorts, everything firing exactly the way we set it up manually. But the best part, you can see the performance of this strategy. Click on Strategy Tester, and you can see the complete backtest data showing you exactly how profitable this strategy would have been over time. Now, if you open that strategy tester and you don't like what you see, maybe the win rate isn't high enough, or that equity curve isn't moving straight up the way you want it to, don't stress. That is completely normal. Every market condition is different, and this is where you turn this into your own personal strategy. All you have to do is refine it. Go back to Claude and update your prompt. Tell it, hey, add a 200 EMA filter so we only take longs when the price is above it, or add an RSI condition to make sure we aren't buying when the market is overbought. Just feed those changes right back to Claude, copy the new code, paste it into your editor, and hit save. Keep repeating that process, tweaking the indicators and rules until you watch that equity curve start climbing. You're basically building a custom trading bot on autopilot without knowing how to code a single line yourself. Now, once you've dialed it in and you're ready to set up alerts so you never miss a move, click the alarm clock icon at the top of TradingView or right-click one of the signal shapes. Select Add Alert and set your conditions. TradingView will notify you the moment a signal fires, straight to your phone. So instead of staring at the screen for hours waiting for a cross, the code is doing all the heavy lifting for you. The moment all your conditions line up perfectly, boom, you get an alert, you execute, and you're done. Now, if you want to take this even further and have a trade open automatically on your exchange the moment a signal fires, I've got you covered. I put together a private group where I share all of my use cases for Claude Code, from integrating it with Telegram, TradingView, and searching for whales on Hyperliquid. All automatically. Everything I showed you today, it's all inside the group. And I'm constantly adding new stuff, new strategies, new prompts, new integrations. Every time I build something new, it goes straight in there. The price is $79.99 a month. And honestly, when you think about what this actually is, the most cutting-edge AI trading setup available to retail traders right now, constantly updated with everything included. Inside, there is also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert, no coding background needed. By the end of it, you will have your own AI trading system running live, something most retail traders do not even know is possible right now. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. And the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. The link is in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. And that's it, guys. That's how you take a simple strategy from the internet, hand it to Claude, get a working Pine script in TradingView, and refine it to make your own. No coding, no manual chart watching. If you want to see a full demo of how I trade using only my Telegram, the full demo of all use case on TradingView, and how I track the biggest trades of whales on Hyperliquid automatically, click the video popping on screen right now. And if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on screen as well. Go and check that out next. If you found this useful, leave a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.